What's up, my friend? Okay, I just want to pop in real quick and show you a trick on how to put your entire mix and process it underwater. Okay, people don't usually think about using processing, FX processing on your entire mix, meaning beat and vocals. They usually just either put it on the beat or the vocals, which is fine. I do that a lot and I teach that a lot on this channel, but just want to put a concept in your head where you can also do the same effects on your entire mix, just to make your mix stand out and be different and be very creative. All right, so this is a song I recorded here, and yeah, we're gonna dive in. What's up? If you don't know who I am, I'm Macro from Mixing with Macro. I'm a recording and mixing engineer, and I do recording and mixing for major record labels and many independent artists. And my goal is to help you streamline your recording and your mixing process for fast and consistent results. All right, so yeah, let's dive in. This is the song that I just recorded. I think I recorded this last night. Just listen to it real quick.
I pull up in a two-seater, go and draw the seal. Little bitch, don't worry, you got freedom. I draw the film, man, no teaser. Cash ain't coming fast like cheetahs. I fly anyway, no visa. I fall off her light, I see her. Pull up and grab that visa, pull up and grab that visa. She got that dome, got that truck, that shit came with diesel. 100 mil, with my draw, turn your bitch to a teacher. Got whole mans on my sock. Yeah, got my way out of bleachers. Now we course how she a pleaser. Ex-bitch see me, she a Jesus.
Alright, boom. So you could see how putting your entire mix and processing it like it's underwater really makes it hit different. Alright, well, this is on the second part of the hook. The first part of the hook is normal, but the second time the hook comes around, it has these effects on it. So it's basically simple. If you know my template, it's my template here. I have template videos if you want this exact template where I show you how to build out this exact template here. I just use my aux, my all aux. This is where I do all my effects processing and where I would put all my effects plugins. So for this particular song, I put the one knob filter on it to put it underwater, and then I just use the lo-fi. This is Avid's distortion plugin, and it gives it a nice bit of distortion that I personally like. You can use any distortion plugin you like, but I think Avid's lo-fi works for just fine. And for a little extra kick, I add the doubler and I automated everything, and I'll show you how I automated things. Okay, so let's start with the one knob filter. So to automate things is literally simple. You could do the long way, whereas you click up here, boom, and then you could tell it what you want to automate. Just add it over there and it makes the parameter active. But the easiest way to do it is using, for Mac, is using Control Option Command, and you click the parameter that you want to automate. It's already automated for me, so it will say enable automation. Pretty simple. So I'm not going to disable it. And when you want to bring up the automation lane where you can do things, boom, Control Command, and you click the parameter and it comes up. All right, now let's play this part and let's look at what the one knob filter is doing.
I pull up in a two-seater, go and draw the seal. Little bitch, don't worry, you got freedom. I draw the film, man, no teaser. Cash ain't coming fast like cheetahs. I fly anyway, no visa. I fall off her light, I see her. Pull up and grab that visa, pull up and grab that visa. She got that dome, got that truck.
Boom. So I don't even have to do anything. It's automatically doing it. Okay, and then what I did after that, I put the distortion plugin on here and I have it automated as well. That's what this green circle is all about. When you see the green circle in this plugin here, it means the automation is enabled. You use Control Command, you click the parameter, and it brings up the automation lane. So I put the automation down here. Let's hear what it sounds like. Just give it that little bit of distortion right there. And finally, I did the doubler on here as well. You click, you could see everything is getting wide. So I automated both of these parameters, the width parameters here, the exact same. And you can see how things change as it goes along. I'm going to deactivate the lo-fi and the one knob filter so you can hear what the doubler is actually doing.
Turn your bitch to a teacher. Got whole mans on my song. Yeah, got my way out of bleachers. Now we courtside, she a pleaser. Ex bitch see me, she a Jesus. Yeah, I fucked around, I got more. Didn't even have to send my soul. I put everything on go.
You feel me? It sounds awesome. So let me put this a little bit early so we can hear everything happen a little bit earlier before it starts fading out. So I'm just did that one. Let's take this one as well. Boom. And remember, it is control and command, and you click the parameter to bring up the automation lane. Let's hear it.
Love ain't grab that Caesar, yeah. Love ain't grab that feature. She got that dome, got that truck, that shit came with diesel. 100 mil, with my draw, Turn your bitch to a teacher. Got whole mans on my soul. Yeah, got my way out of bleachers. Now we courtside, she a pleaser. Ex bitch see me, she a Jesus. Yeah, I fucked around, I got more. Didn't even have to send my soul. I put everything on go.
Fire. All right, boom. So yeah, that is it, my friend. It has to be a quick video. I just wanted to bring it to your attention that you could do this to your entire mix, process your entire mix. It's very simple. If you know how to automate your vocals or automate your beat, like I show you how to automate your beat with different types of effects, then you know exactly how to automate your entire mix. It's very, very simple, my friend. And with a little bit of creativity and creative flair, you can literally add this to your mix and just make your music sound crazy. People will be like, wow, I can't believe that shit sounds so insane. Like it I'm not even a rapper. I like to make rap songs, but when I make songs and I add all these things to it, it just takes it to a whole nother level. Like it's crazy. So I want that for your music as well. So be sure to try it out and see whatever works for you. Okay, and while you're here, make sure to check the description because the 5-step cheat sheet is in there. It will bring you to a solid mix. Now all these effects and everything is not going to help if the mix doesn't sound solid. So you always need a solid mix. Okay, so there's a free cheat sheet in the description that'll show you exactly how to do it. It's a quick read. You can read through it in about 5 minutes, probably even less. You could even skim through it if you like, and it will bring you to a professional sounding mix in less than 30 minutes, like literally, like every time. If you were doing revision after revision after revision and you just have like 10 stacks of revisions like I was in my early days, trust me, with this cheat sheet you're gonna have maybe 1 or 2. That's no joke. All right, be sure to use the comment section to let me know how well it worked for you, and if you want me to cover anything in specific, or if you just want to say what's up or you found this video valuable, please leave a comment down below. I receive all the comments and I will respond. All right, thank you, my friend, for sticking around. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
I fly anyway, no visa. I fall off her light, I see you. Love ain't grab that Caesar, yeah. Love ain't grab that feature. She got that dome, got that truck, that shit came with diesel.